Great. So today we have yet another star with us, Rohit Runwal. And Rohit has managed to crack 6 students in his beta launch phase. So very warm welcome, Rohit.
Thank you, Ria.
And many, many congratulations on this beautiful start. It's just a start. So how
It's
do
a
you
great
feel?
feeling. It's an honor feeling, and it's a happy feeling to be part of your community.
Thank you. So tell us a bit about you, Rohit. What's your background like?
Okay, so I'm Rohit Runwal, founder of Mad Learning. So we are into training and placement, where we train engineers for IT companies and, of course, make them employable so that they can start working in IT companies. They get a good job in IT companies. That is
Mhm.
what the whole agenda is, to get a high-paying job for an engineer and, of course, aspiring IT aspirant.
Okay,
Yes, so
great.
I'm into training from almost like 2011. So more into aptitude training. So since 2011, I've been working as a freelancer with different colleges and institute, where I used to go there and train students for aptitude and other employability skills. So 2011 to 2013, I worked as a training placement officer with one of the colleges in Aurangabad. Later on, I've also worked as a consultant for work different institutes like Gate Coaching Institutes and MBA Coaching Institutes, where I used to train their students for aptitude skills. Later on, in 2017, I started my own company where, of course, Mad Learning, so full form is Mathematical Aptitude Development. So where we go, of course, it's more about training and placement completely, more technical training, and of course, employability skills training. And we go in different colleges, engineering colleges, train their students so that their students in engineering colleges are able to crack campus placement. The end goal is the campus placement.
Awesome.
Yes.
So I like the full form of MAD method. Could you repeat it again?
Mathematical aptitude development.
Awesome. So, what made you transition from this beautiful offline world to this side of the world, which is online?
Okay. So yes, I am more into like live trainings. Till now, I like being into different colleges, interacting with students. That comes to be very naturally. But of course, since COVID started, so everything, the table completely turned around, and I started thinking now how to start this thing. Till that time, I was not into online mode completely. So means zero till that time. But of course, I was listening to many people who are coming online, who have made their courses and etc.
Mhm.
But I was not able to figure it out. Okay, being very frank. So I
Mhm.
developed my own website till that. Uh, of course, by trial and error, by looking at different videos, which is free on YouTube. So I created my own website, which is an like small website, but it was completely ready till that time. But I was not able to market my skills. Okay, I was not able to build that course that is very much required. So after coming and joining you, surely I figured out how it has to be done. So the first webinar which I did last Sunday, of course, there were almost like 60, 70 plus students in that. And among them, almost 10% of the students got registered. And maybe others are also still waiting. Maybe in coming few weeks, I'll be getting more registration also.
Yes, this is just the start.
Yes, yes.
So, when you say you called 60, 70 students, what was your method of getting students into webinars?
Okay. So being very frank, if it's a first webinar, you are not giving any ad till now. We are not going Facebook ad. We are not running any Facebook ad till now. So we have to use our own sources, organic sources that we are connected to people till the date. So I'm connected with many faculties, HODs of different colleges, and by God's grace, uh, few days before, I got a call from one of the vice principal of a college directly.
Mhm.
So because he has, I have delivered a training in his college, previous college. So he is knowing about me. Yes, he is a good chap who can train students for aptitude and other skills. So he
Mhm.
called me, sir. We want to have a webinar of yours. So I was happy. So I got the opportunity. But but the problem was he wanted me to train on some other skills. But
Okay.
I managed to convince him, sir, this is what I am planning. So if you give me this opportunity, surely students will be benefited. So I convinced him, and he forwarded the message to all the students. So I made a website of my own, as I said. So I made an opt-in page there. So I asked all the students to register on the opt-in page, and then I started shooting them 1 or 2 emails about the webinar that is going to happen on Sunday. And suddenly students started registering, and one student likes the sales page or whatever opt-in page, they were convinced that this is something new happening in the college. Okay. So many students registered, and after seeing few students, others also registered. So it becomes a cycle, and that way I got around 100 plus registration, 150 plus registration for the opt-in page. On the final day, around 70 plus student popped up, and of course, till the time I completed your webinar wala module, which was of course very good. Coming back to it, I last month I delivered a webinar to the students who were opting for one of the exams, campus placement exams. So I did a webinar with them. I made my own webinar deck, but I hardly got one registration that time. Okay. But after seeing your webinar module, I twisted and turned many things. I retouched many things, and with that, the webinar module was ready. And when I created that webinar module, believe me, I was sure that this is something good that I made. I am very good at creating presentation, PowerPoint presentations, and little good at storytelling also. So because I am into live trainings, और मैं जब हिंदी में बात करता हूँ, English plus Hindi, it really touches students. Okay, maybe of course training करके वो आ ही जाता है. तो वो करके when I started the webinar, so most of the students were very happy from start till end. They were connected with me, and of course, being student, I conducted a complete webinar for more than 2 hours. Okay, the way I did it, like it was a boot camp. Okay, so students were able to start their campus placement preparation. That was the end goal. कि यार ये boot camp करके student को कुछ अच्छा मिलेगा और यहाँ से वो start कर पाएंगे preparation. So I made that boot camp. If you remember, I had a call with you that whether I should have a boot camp for 3 days or not. So you suggested me, no, it should not be done. 3 days is a complete big time. You may will be giving all the good methods and corrections in the 3 days itself. So instead of 3 days, I cut it down to 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Okay. So in the 2 hours, 3 hours, all the students were convinced that whatever they were thinking, whatever myths they had, got cleared in 2 hours. Okay. So I break the barrier with them, and they were convinced, yes, he's the right person to get trained with. And at the end of the webinar, actually, I didn't say to the faculty that I'm going to pitch a course. Okay. So at the end, I pitched my course because the flow was designed in such a beautiful way that students were motivated to reach the end. And at the end, when I pitched my course completely, so at the end, the principal, the HOD, the faculty is also convinced that this is a very good course. They also suggested the students that they should go for it. So I had a very good testimonial at the end from the principal and HOD themselves. Wow. That they should also register for the course. And but because they were students, I didn't got registration at the end. Okay, it was 0 registration at the end because they are students. They don't have money with them. So I gave a buffer time of 2 days. Okay, on my sales page, I created a 2-day buffer time that, of course, we are going to start from 1st June. So 30 and 31, you need to register. You need to pay them out. So within first hour, I got 1 registration. And I was happy, but I was disappointed also that I have got only 1 registration because believe me, I made that webinar deck for 3 days. I was preparing for 3 days. Okay, this is good. So it should not have any false deficiencies there. I got 1 registration, but I was okay. With 1 student also, I will be able to create my own module with 100 days module. That is a big module, 100 days placement preparation course. Next day, I shoot up few more emails to them. Okay, the value addition email, you can call it as, where I said why this course is important and why you should not miss the opportunity. Like just a kick to them. And with 1 email, again, I got about 4 or 5 registration more. Next day, when students joined the Facebook group with my some quotations or maybe some value addition on the Facebook group there also, more students joined. So at the end of 31st, I was having 6 registrations. So it was good. And yes, I want to take it from there. And I'm planning to have some more webinars in this week. And of course, have good registration more. So looking forward for
For
that.
these 6 students, what's your format like? Are you going to be recording videos and giving it to them, or it's live? How is the format?
Okay, so I have said them that it will be some live plus recorded sessions. So I'll be having live trainings plus recorded training also. So some of the part will be live, some will be recorded. So because aptitude training requires some live training, so I've suggested that aptitude will be more live, and the same will be recorded, and that will be available to all the students at in my LMS. Okay. Some part which is like little more technical, which does not require live part, that will be recorded from my side, and that will be made available to all the students.
Okay, fantastic. That's a fantastic start, Rohit. Again, many congratulations. And just to ask you, what are your top 3 learnings from the online coaching secrets program?
Okay. So the best part that I felt was the very first module, finding your own niche. So I have gone through that module with many people. Okay, finding the niche. But the way you crafted that module was very fantastic. And because it was a doodling part that you craft something of your own and you try to find out your own niche. So it was something very good. And of course, it is like a module which has some action oriented action at the end. You need to figure it out by your own way. You have given some good assignments, good tasks to all the people. And when you do those tasks, believe me, that course starts coming to realization. Okay, you try to picturize everything in your mind. And when you actually start preparing the module, your own course, you are ready with the things in your own mind. So when I was preparing the webinar deck, so everything started falling in line that what I have to do. So it became a very good story in the webinar, and almost every student was convinced that yes, this is good. And when I will be preparing my own courses, I know that whatever technical knowledge I have is sufficient to give to the students. Only plus and minus that I required was everything satisfied from your online course creation thing. And it was a great start for this year. And of course, I believe next few months, I will be completing a complete course and then able to market it like good.
Next few weeks, I would say, actually.
Okay, great. Because my training is about 100 days. Okay, so of course, preparing that 100 days of course will be requiring time. But from your side, I will be completing complete module in next few weeks only.
Right.
So I'm right now on the LMS creation module, which is good, and I've started working on that.
Awesome.
Yes.
So Rohit, before we wind up this call, just wanted to ask you for one piece of advice that you would like to give people who want to get into this whole online course creation world.
Okay, mostly many people fear to start. Okay, the very much important thing is to get started. It is very rightly said. You don't need to start. You don't need to be very expert in some field to get started. Okay, so if you don't have much knowledge in the field, you can explore yourself. In the meanwhile, while course creation, you can also enhance your knowledge, and then of course you can add value to your own course. So very much important is to get started. And of course, I believe Ria Madam is a fantastic coach to help anyone who wants to join, who wants to get his online course creation get started.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Rohit. So great. Rohit, this was fabulous meeting you. Do definitely share some link of yours, which I could put below the video, so that if people are interested in connecting with you, they can with just a single click.
Perfect, man.
Great. Thanks a lot, everyone. And hope this series inspired you. Looking forward to catching up with many more students and their success stories. Thanks a lot.
Same here.